Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily, and today we're going to be going over how to create a dual axis chart within Tableau. So a dual axis chart is just showing two measures along the same dimension. So the measures being something that you can quantify, whereas the dimensions are typically going to be something that is qualitative. So what I am going to do here, I am going to, let's grab order date. We're going to have it be by year. And then we are going to grab sales. Okay. And then I also want to grab profit. All right, I'm going to come up here to rows, and then I'm going to right click on our second measure, and I'm going to hit dual axis here. Now, as you can see, it is showing that we have both our sales as well as our profit for each year on the same axis, and it is showing that. But that's just going to be a simple how you create a dual axis chart within Tableau. Again, it's showing the different measures with the same dimension. So here it would be sales and profit per year. And so as you can see, as we go into it, it is showing both on that one singular chart. But I hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a like, subscribe. You can connect with me on LinkedIn at EmilyCallMBA. Thanks so much, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.